Hi, I'm Marta and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a haul from last Thursday. We went on Thursday because this past weekend was the viral Blythe retreat. I can never think of the words. Put on by Tammy Polly at Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Polly and the Tapping Flamingo, who is also the Bohemian Hippie, Terry Janine. It was really fun having actually we're recording Saturday. I'm having a great time. Really fun. When they do it again, you should join in. Okay, so we went Thursday and I have really been good since I've gone to the Blythe convention. I really have. I've been showing a lot of haul videos, but those were prior to. And I've been good. Darren has been very surprised how good I have been. So anyway, we went to Walmart first, and I am making some things for BlytheCon. We're hoping to have a booth there, and I got to get on it now because I do so much sewing usually that it's going to take quite a bit. They had this Harry Potter, Star Wars 1 yard cut fabric. I want to see this one. Let's just pop this one open. They had these on sale for $3 a yard. That's cheap enough. That's a pretty big print, but you know what? That would be cute on an AG doll. That'd be real cute, like a cape out of this or something. That would be adorkable. So, oh, and then I got, almost tossed it to the side, elastic for the gathered skirts. Went to Hobby Lobby. Did we go to Joann's?
No Joann's.
No Joanne. Oh, that's right. We went the other direction. And I'm walking along, and they have these on clearance, and I'm so glad I bought them. You'll notice this is open. At the virtual Blythe retreat, Terry did a class on making earrings. I messed mine up good, and I dropped a seed bead twice, and we found it was the amazing part. And I finally got them done, but I had to rob a couple of these jewelry pins out of there. This, I love these bottles. Look at that, $1.74. This, by the way, was $1.24. Great prices, couldn't leave them. Okay, let me show you the fabrics that were on sale that I bought. And most of these are Blythe size. I'm working on a doll, and this is a perfect print for her, and I like it so much. And it's such a good size for Blythe that I think I got a full yard of that one. Christmas prints were 50% off, and these prints were 40% off. I love this, so perfect for Blythe. They came out in 1972, and that's the kind of fabrics that we had. I love the sock monkeys. Oh my God, I love the sock monkeys. So I bought a little bit more of this. I had made some dresses and put them on my website for sale, and they sold pretty quick. So I'm going to try to make some more. I think I made myself one, but this is, I don't know if you can see these. Little bitty Valentines. I love this. I have had this in the past. It works up so cute for the Blythe dolls. It's perfect. I went for this because it's such a good size for the Blythe dolls. Even the mini Blythe dolls can use this. Now, some people don't like animal print, and that's fine. To me, it's a compliment to the animals. You're saying, I love you so much. I want to look like you. I like it. Anyway, I want to make some little dresses out of that. I thought that would be really cute. I saw this. I think this one was on clearance. Whatever it was either 40% off, 50% off, or on clearance. Had to have more of this. Absolutely loving this fabric. Actually, I need to make her a shirt out of it. She's already got a maxi skirt made out of that. So she needs some sort of top. And then I got this. I couldn't help myself. Peaches. Her name is Peaches. I thought, well, I'll make her a little something. It's cute enough. So that's all I bought. We were gone all day. Darren took me everywhere, and he's like, are you sure you're not going to buy that? Did you want Did you want to get the dolls? There's some dolls on sale. Did you want? Nope, nope, nope. I'm saving. I'm saving for that BlytheCon 2023, and I know I'm talking about it a lot. That's because I want you to save too, so that you can go. It's going to be in New York, New Jersey in November of 2023. I had so much fun at the 2022. I honestly cannot wait. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.